Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I am showing you beautiful friendship day card. So check out some materials: pink and blue thick color paper, one pattern paper, half cut pearl, liquid glue, pen which is not working, scissor, pencil, quilling tool, and 5 mm quilling strips. So let's start this procedure. So first I am taking blue color thick color paper. It's measured 20 by 10 centimeter, and I have marked on 2.5 centimeter and 5 centimeter. And join those lines. So I am joined two lines and crease these lines. For creasing I am using pen which is not working. So I am folded this part. So I am folded this line in a zigzag manner, so it will look like this. Now I am taking a pink color paper. It's measured 7.5 and 5 centimeter. Now I am marking on left side 2.5 centimeter and left side I am marking 2.5 centimeter. Connect two lines. So I am connecting this line and I am creasing this line. I am using creasing in my pen which is not working. You can also use in bold folder and ball tool. And I am fold this part. So now I am back to the blue base card. I am marking on 5 centimeter left and right side. And I join these lines. It will look like this. Now I am attach this pink cardstock using a liquid glue. And I am connect. So it would work like this. Now same one more card. So I am joined these two cards. So first part I am adding glue, and next card I am adding glue. So I am attaching this two cards. Align is very well. So it will look like this. So it will look like this. Now I am attaching this pattern paper top of this. Add glue. So I am attaching this pattern paper and basic card is done. Now I am decorate this part. First I am using a pattern paper. And second, this red color sheet, and I have write in friends, as you can see. So I am attached. Next I am decorating this part. First, friend forever. I am write this friend forever, and next let be friend. So I am attached this. So it will look like this. Now I am decorating this front page. Now I am making this leaf shape petal. So first I am taking blue quilling paper and making a leaf shape. It's a loose coil and secure the edges. And pinch it slightly. So petal is done. Similarly, I have created 7 more petals and joined together. Now I am taking half cut pearl of the center. So flower is done. Now I am making cute tiny flower. So first I am taking 1/4 strips of blue and 1/4 strips of white quilling strips and making a loose coil. And secure the edges. And a middle pinch of, so it will look like this. Similarly, I have created 3 more petals, to total 4 petals. Joined each together, and middle I have half cut pearl. So this flower is done. Now I am making this leaf. So I am 1/4 strips of light yellow color and making a leaf shape. Similarly, I have total making a 2 petals and total 3 petals. Join the petals. So total 4 leaves are ready. Now I am back to the card and decorate this quilling flower. So first this big flower, and middle flower, so Friendship Day card is ready. As you can see, it will look like this. Isn't it very beautiful and so amazing? So please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon. You don't never miss my latest video. Like this video and comment this video. So bye bye.